Good day everyone, welcome to PipVanta, the channel where we don't chase hype, we trade with logic. If you're tired of blowing accounts, tired of following signals that don't work, and tired of feeling confused in the market, you are in the right place. Today we are going to talk about why most beginners don't understand how Forex really moves. That is to say, we are going to talk about what really moves the market. Why do those candle moves? Why do they change from green to red? Here is the truth about price movement. Most beginners believe Forex moves because of luck. Some think it moves because of news. Some think it moves because of indicators. But the truth is much simpler. Forex moves because people place order. That is it. Every single candle you see, every spike, every breakout is simply the result of human desires happening all over the world. And until you understand that, you will always feel confused in the market. Now, let me tell you something important. The Forex market is not a machine, it is a crowd. Millions of banks, funds, and traders are constantly deciding, should I buy? Should I sell? Should I close my trade? Those decisions are what move price. When more people want to buy than sell, price rises. When more people want to sell than buy, price falls. There's no mystery behind it. It's simply supply and demand, but with money. Why do candles really move? When you see a green candle, it means buyers were stronger. When you see a red candle, it means sellers were stronger. That candle is not the cause, it is the result. This is where beginners get trapped. They think candles create movement, but candle only shows what already happened. Smart traders ask, who is winning right now? Buyers or seller? Not what pattern do I see. What support and resistance really is. You see, support and resistance are not magic levels. They are areas where many traders place orders. At support, some traders want to buy, some want to close sell trades, some want to enter new positions. At resistance, some want to sell, some want to take profit, some want to exit. All these orders create pressure, and that pressure is what you see as a bounce or rejection. It is not the line, it is the money. Another thing is why breakouts and fakeout happens. Beginners get angry when price breaks a level. They say, why did it ignore resistance? It didn't ignore anything. It simply means more traders wanted to buy than sell. When buyers are stronger, price breaks through. When sellers are stronger, price rejects. A fakeout happens when one side pretends to win, then the other side take control. This is why understanding who is in control is more important than drawing lines. What news really does? News does not move the market, people do. News changes how traders feel. You see, good news leads to more buyers, then bad news leads to more sellers. The rush of emotion creates big movement. That is why price spikes. Not because of the news itself, but because millions of traders react at the same time. Why most beginners feel lost? Most beginners stare at candle and indicators. They ask, where will price go? But smart trader ask, where is money going? When you don't understand order flow, every movement feels random. When you do, the market becomes logical. How professionals think? Professional traders think like this. Where are traders likely to place buy orders? Where are traders likely to place sell orders? Where will the biggest money enter? They don't chase candle, they follow liquidity. They trade where decisions are being made. Now I leave this with you guys. Forex is not a guessing game. It is a battle between buyers and sellers. When you learn to see where money is flowing, you stop being confused, you stop chasing, and you start understanding. Remember, price follows money, not pattern. Subscribe to PipVanta and learn how to trade with logic.